keep doing that? I can't see him. Oh, you're a little rat.
Oh, he's shaking. Oh, no. Oh, no. Run him.
Oh, you little climber.
Yeah, you're a little spider monkey.
Oh, I can't see him.
I have to dry him.
I don't like doing this to him.
I know. It's so torture.
Well, you know what? You don't like it either.
No, he doesn't.
Every time someone says something interesting, the camera's pointing the opposite direction.
I'm sorry. It's okay. Yeah.
I've got your boob.
That's okay. Oh, I see you the baby. You're okay. You're okay. I got you. Oh.
Nice flower.
Thanks. Hey. Shh.
So how was that?
He talked during the movie.
Wait, let's not talk bad about him on this.